Hey you guys, welcome to TikTok So Funny. Now before we get into this, I want to let you guys know that I am doing a $100 giveaway. You heard me right, $100 now. In order to qualify, you have to be a subscriber, like videos, and leave your cash apps in the comments. Now this giveaway does end November 25th, so good luck to everyone. Now let's get into the funny.
Hold up. Roll it on my wrist. Roll it on my bitch.
What?
30 on my waist.
What?
30 to your face.
Yeah.
60 to your face.
Yeah.
90 to your face.
Yeah.
That's a closed case.
So listen, I went to the Starbucks inside of Kroger, and as I'm waiting in line, this little girl came up into the line, and she was just like so excited, like smiling, and just like she couldn't just hold her emotions in about Starbucks. So I turned around, I'm like, hey, is this your first time at Starbucks? And she was like, no, second or tres, or she was trying to say 2 and 3. And I was like, oh, okay. So I told the barista, I'm like, I'm gonna pay for the little girl behind me. I want a small chai latte. Small chai latte. So the little girl gets up and she's like, what do you want? She's like, the pink drink. The lady said small or large. She said large. I said large. Okay. And then the lady said, anything else? She said, in a cake pop. I said, this little girl is expensive. Like, you little stranger. Like, you trying to take advantage of me. But get her whatever she wants, ma'am. Get her whatever she wants.
Ain't no way, boy.
Hey, Pop!
Hey,
And I'm proud to be an American.
Truth is, I'm tired.
The time I got drunk at Chuck E. Cheese.
Hey, you better eat. You better eat. Y'all should put them together. What are you doing?
This little girl and her family moved in probably a month ago. Ever since she moved in, she's been ding-dong ditching us with her dog in broad daylight. So I decided to try and catch her so I could scare her, and this is how it went.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. She scared it out of me.
Is she putting? Why would you do that? Are you? Why y'all don't just cook the pasta? Why are y'all doing this? Why? I am so sick of it here. It's so ghetto being on earth. What is it? Why are y'all doing this?
How's it looking?
How's it looking? They said yum.
5 minutes. So check it out.
This is why I don't eat at people's house. This is why I don't eat at potlucks. With a pickle, nasty as
Whoop ass, whoop ass, whoop ass, whoop ass, whoop ass, whoop ass, whoop ass. What do? You don't whoop ass. Listen.
What about the white people with black names, though? I can't be the only one. Lashea. Lachey. And my mama thought she made it up. No, honey, no.
I seriously have no idea.
Hey, I think I got my order wrong.
No, we didn't.
Well, no, because I had
Shut
ordered
the
it.
fuck
Oh,
up.
okay.
Get the fuck out the line.
Move, get away from me. Move. Move away from him.
Wait.
Move away from
Exactly.
him.
He's holding the door.
Stop. Yeah. Harass me. Let them let you go till the police come. Just wait for the police. Let them let you go outside. Just wait for the police.
entering the property.
Just wait for the police.
He's so weak.
Stop fighting
He's
him.
so weak.
He's not
Forcibly entering the property.
He said he was arguing.
As soon as I close the door, he's gonna jump on you.
No, I know he is. He's going to jump on me.
I don't have time. Thank you for choosing Best Buy. This is Rebecca speaking. How can I assist you? Okay, so you're wanting... Okay. Give me a moment. I'm going to place you on a brief hold so I can look at your account, okay? All right. Okay. Girl, these motherfuckers getting on my nerve today. I can't believe that folks just keep calling in asking about crazy shit. Like, at this point, it's Friday. It's after 5. Why are you calling me? You feel me? Like, now this bitch over here talking about something. Hey, I want to call. What you want? It's after 5 o'clock. Whatever you did. Hello? Are you talking? Hello? Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm fine. Are you okay, I am so sorry for that. That was actually someone in the background, one of my employees, but I'm here to assist you. I'm not sure what they were talking about, but I'm looking at your account and I'm gonna take a... Yeah, but I don't understand. Someone, you were talking to someone. It wasn't someone. Give me a moment, okay? Background. Can I speak to a supervisor? You. Girl, she went on mute. I was just over here talking about this lady. Girl. Now she's talking about something. Let me speak to a supervisor. Girl, you ain't finna speak to no supervisor. I'm finna have you on hold for a good 4 minutes. And then I'm finna release that call. Okay? Not today. Not on this Good Friday. You not finna play with me like that. Period. Because I already had said today wasn't today. Period.
What? Are you gonna go get it?
Yeah.
If that's the bitch you want to talk to her. Just know, once you leave that door, lock it behind you. Matter of fact, I'ma lock it.
This why I'm not doing no more family members' hair.
You forgot to pay me. You forgot to pay me.
Even if you think I should, bitch, nigga.
Something happened between you and her last night?
I mean, not kinda, but not really.
Okay. Do me a favor. Don't put your hands in your pockets like that when we're talking.
It ain't nothing.
Alright, come here. Come on over here for a second. Go ahead and turn around. You just keep putting your... Don't tense up, man. Don't tense up, man. Where are you going?
Settle that, mother. Look, I'm about to jump. I'm about to jump. Don't tase me. Don't.
Tell me why I'm getting pizza. They playing rap music in the background, as you do when you're working at a pizza restaurant. And this white dude was like, if they don't turn that music down, they can forget my business. Sir, this is a Little Caesars. Please get over yourself, motherfucker.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Pipe down, bitch. Pipe down.